Hello, today we're going to be doing a bike build, and yeah, I'm going to build my bike, and I'm going to do a bit of a bike check as I do it, so let's go. Okay, so I guess first things first, this is my frame. It's like a 2014 Morpheus Vimana or something. It's like my favorite frame ever. I've got a matching Chris King headset bottom bracket also to go with it, which is really sick. So the first thing that I want to put on my bike is my cranks, and I have a few little thingies to put on them. And that thing, I have to put that on them too first. So let's do that. First I want to put that thing on. And then this little thingy. Can't forget that, whatever that does. That's fine for that crank. Now, this one I have to kind of like put this on. No, this is pretty easy. Oh, I need this tool though. Yeah, there you go. Now my cranks are ready to go on, but I need like these things actually. There, that was easy. Alright, coming in with some cranks. I'm going to need a bunch of grease in my bottom bracket because there's a special tool that you need to grease these bottom brackets, and it's like $15. I'm just like, nah. So, see how well that worked. Okay, this one can go in. Yeah, I'm doing it.
Here's the fork, I'm going to put it on.
Some grease there. Top cap. Should be super good. It's really tempting to do the bars. I think I will. This doesn't usually work. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, so moving on to the back now. I'm going to do my back wheel. I'm going to put that on, because that's what I want to put on. I have a few fiddly bits to put on right now, so let's do that. I think that goes on too, actually, right after. And this thing.
Here we go.
Not too tight. Alright, so I've got my back wheel here, and I want to put it on the bike, but before I do that, I have to put on the tire. So I'm going to use a trick that I've seen some other people do, which is really sick. So here we go, ready?
Whoa.
I know, right? That's pretty cool. Alright, so on the bike it goes. There we go. Alright, let's put this chain on. Awesome. Alright, I think I just want to try and tighten my chain a little bit, and it'll kind of let you guys check out how my adjustable chain stays sort of work. It's pretty cool. You're able to like, yeah, have a lot of versatility. You could make it really long if you wanted to, which don't know why anyone would ever do that, but alright, I think that worked pretty well. Look, my chain's really tight. I don't even need a chain stopper. That's the way it's done. I'd say it's time for the seat. Put it on the seat. I love this seat so much. I just got it, and it's just like, it's way better than my other one. Alright, she's coming together, eh? Brake. Alright, so I just realized I forgot to put on the disc. which makes it hard to put on the brake, but then so I just went and did put on the disc, so now we're good to go. So yeah, I'm just putting on the brake, so here we go. I think I want this to go inside here. Alright, time to front the front wheel up. Got the axle, greased the axle. We're ready to go. Hope this isn't hard. Sometimes this is hard. God. Done. Runs like a dream. Oh. Cool. Alright, now for the grips. Last thing we need to do. 2.5 minutes.
Oh.
Alright, last grip. Maybe not, just do that. It's always sketchy doing all these tiny little ones. Alright, well that's it. She's done. Let's see how it feels. Alright, well here she is, seeming super dialed. So yeah, I've never actually weighed this bike, so I'm gonna go grab a scale and see how much it weighs. So I'm gonna weigh myself with the bike and without the bike. And so I'll start with without the bike. How much am I, Eli?
140 exact.
Well, I made it to 140. Who would have thought? With the bike.
165.2.
25 pounds. Right?
Yep.
25 pounds. That's pretty good, eh? I don't really know, honestly. I don't know how heavy a bike should be, but it seems pretty light to me, so that's pretty cool. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed that bike build video. I thought it was pretty fun. I like building bikes. And yeah, I'm stoked to go shred, so